Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 20th of November, 2023. The Indian benchmarks indices ended lower for the second consecutive session on November 20th, with the Sensex closing down 139.58 points, or 0.21% at 65,655.15, and the Nifty falling 37.80 points, or 0.19% to end at 19,694. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were Divi's Labs, Bharti Airtel, HCL Technologies, Wipro and ONGC. While losers were Adani Enterprises, M&M, Bajaj Finance, SBI Life Insurance and Ultratech Cement. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Mankind Pharma Limited surged close to 4% to touch an all-time high of 1,998 rupees after the pharmaceutical company was added to the FTSE All-World, Large Cap, Total Cap, and All Cap indices, marking a significant recognition for the Indian company. The index is a market capitalization-weighted index representing the performance of large, mid and small cap stocks globally. The index covers developed and emerging markets and is suitable as the basis for investment products such as funds, derivatives, and exchange-traded funds. Shares of Tata Investment Corporation rallied more than 15% to hit a fresh 52-week high on November 20th, extending its stellar rally for the second consecutive day. In the previous session, the stock had surged up to 20%. The sharp rally comes ahead of the Tata Technologies IPO, which will open for public subscription on November 22nd. Tata Technologies is a subsidiary of Tata Motors, and Tata Investment Corporation is a promoter group entity of the auto major. Shares of Zen Technologies rallied 5% on November 20th after the company bagged export orders of 42 rupees crore. In the past 1 month, the stock of this defense solutions provider has surged 5% as against a 0.6% rise in the benchmark Sensex. Earlier, the stock had hit a 52-week high of 912 rupees per share on August 17, 2023. The new order win by Zen Tech comprises stimulators, aligning with the national objective of becoming a net defense exporter. Shares of PRATAAP Snacks Limited zoomed 20% after 13 lakh shares changed hands in a pre-market trade. As many as 17 lakh shares changed hands on the bourses, significantly higher than the 1-month average of 20,000 shares. Couldn't ascertain buyers and sellers of the block deal immediately. In the last 6 months, the maker of the famous Diamond Crisps has given a return of almost 23%. Shares AUROBINDO Pharma gained 1% to clock a fresh 52-week high of 1,017.30 rupees in early trade on November 20th after the United States Food and Drug Administration, US FDA, completed an inspection with zero observation. The US FDA conducted a pre-approval inspection at Unit I and III, formulation manufacturing facility, of APL Healthcare Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, at TSIC Green Industrial Park, Polapalli Village in Telangana. The inspection was conducted from November 13th to 17th and closed with zero observation and a classification of no action indicated, the company said. DRC Systems India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 55.80 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 670.879 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 45.70, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.99. PRATAAP Snacks Limited in daily time frame is trading around 978.70 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.609 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 849, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.70. Talbros Automotive Components Limited in daily time frame is trading around 281.70 points, with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.795 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 246.50, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.19. For the stock recommendation we have, Erkan looks good and can be bought at 166 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 160 rupees and a target of 173 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.